ادارے کے قیام کا مقصد ہے اللہ کی رضا کے لیے اس کورس کو سیکھنا اور آگے کسی اور کو سکھانا اور اس سے کہنا کسی اور کو سکھائے اللہ کی رضا کے لیے بغیر کسی فیس کے یا دنیاوی قرض کے، اور اس کو احیاء دین کے لیے آگے استعمال کریں۔ یہی ہمارے ادارے کی فیس ہے، یہی ہمارے ادارے کی کا مقصد ہے کہ اللہ کی رضا کے لیے علم کو پھیلایا جائے۔ اس سے پہلے الحمدللہ ادارے کی نگرانی میں کئی کلاسز آن لائن جو انسٹیٹیوٹ ہے ہمارا، اس کے تحت کئی کلاسز کا انعقاد ہو چکا ہے، جس میں ڈاکٹر عدیل صاحب اور دوسرے کئی ہمارے معزز جو اساتذہ کرام ہیں انہوں نے کلاسز لی ہیں۔ آن لائن ہمارے یوٹیوب چینل پر جو ہے وہ موجود ہیں، اس سے آپ سب حضرات استفادہ حاصل کر سکتے ہیں۔ آج ہی ہماری یہ کلاس انٹروڈکٹری کلاس ہے، تعارفی کلاس ہے، اور کچھ انگلش لینگویج کے بارے میں تعارف ہوگا، تھوڑا سا کچھ ڈسکشن ہوگی، اور کل سے انشاءاللہ باقاعدہ ہمارا جو ہے لیسن نمبر 1 ہوگا۔ آج 0 لیسن ہے، انٹروڈکٹری کلاس ہے، کل لیسن 1 ہوگا۔ اور ضروری ایک بات میں عرض کرتا چلوں کہ یہ جو کلاس ہے یہ ایڈوانس کلاس ہے ان حضرات کے لیے جو اس سے پہلے بیسک انگلش لینگویج اور گرامر کی کلاسز ہمارے ساتھ وہ پڑھ چکے ہیں، سیکھ چکے ہیں، یا کہیں سے بھی انہوں نے استفادہ حاصل کیا ہے، اور وہ انگلش انٹو انگلش کلاس کو سمجھ سکتے ہیں، ان کو اردو ترجمے کی یا اردو وضاحت کی ان کو ضرورت نہ ہو، اور ان کی کافی حد تک بنیاد بنی ہو، اور اپنی جو انگریزی کی جو فلوئنسی ہے، جو روانی ہے، وہ چاہتے ہو، اور ان کو ایک ماحول چاہیے کہ وہ اپنی اس کی پریکٹس کر سکیں۔ تو اس میں یہ ایڈوانس کلاسز ہے، ایسے حضرات جنہوں نے بیسک کورسز نہیں کیے، شاید یہ کلاس ان کے لیے پھر مشکل ہو، وہ پھر جو ہمارے یوٹیوب چینل پر باقی جو بیسک کلاسز ہیں ان سے استفادہ حاصل کریں تو یہ کلاس ان کے لیے آسان ہو جائے گی۔ اس میں ابھی میں جو بات کر رہا ہوں چونکہ تعارفی کلاس ہے، انٹروڈکٹری کلاس ہے، اس لیے باقی ہماری تمام کلاسز جو ہے وہ انگلش ہوں گی۔ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ دنیا کے علماء اور سب کے سب مشائخ اس بات پر متفق ہیں کہ جو شخص کثرت سے درود شریف پڑھے گا وہ موت کی تلخی سے محفوظ رہے گا۔ دنیا کے علماء اور سب کے سب مشائخ اس بات پر متفق ہیں کہ جو شخص کثرت سے درود شریف پڑھے گا وہ موت کی تلخی سے محفوظ رہے گا۔ اللہ پاک ہمیں زیادہ سے زیادہ درود شریف پڑھنے کی توفیق عطا فرمائے۔ اچھا جناب، ذرا کنفرم کر لیں، کچھ ساتھی ابھی اور انٹرویو کلاس میں آواز آ رہی ہے سب کو صحیح طریقے سے؟
جی سر، آواز آ رہی ہے۔
اچھا جی،
جی سر آواز کلیئر ہے، لیکن تھوڑا سا اگر اس کو ذرا اونچا کر لیں، مائک کو ذرا قریب کر لیں تو ذرا۔
ٹھیک ہے، ابھی دیکھیں ٹھیک ہے؟
جی جی استاد۔
اچھا، the online English language course advanced class Lesson number 1, introductory class. Today, we're going to learn some about English language, some about English, and just to have introduction with each and other. When we say something about English, or when we speak or hear English, or whenever and wherever we worry about English, so there are certain things that sometimes we become confused, that we have studied so much. We have done matric, we have done FSc, BSc, BS, we have done master, we have master degrees. I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer, I'm a qualified person, this and that, blah, blah, blah. But even I'm not having any fluency in English. I'm feeling difficulties in English. I can't understand when I hear English, when I watch a video, I can't understand it accurately and 100%. And when I speak English, so I feel difficulty. There are hurdles. I feel problems. So why? So in these 2-3 slides, we'll come to know that what is the problem and what is the difficulty and why we feel these sort of difficulties. Actually, in schools and colleges, in universities, we study English on daily basis. We take classes on daily basis, and we learn English as a compulsory subject. There is in each and every school and college, English is a compulsory subject till FSc. Even after that, on master level, there are then categories. Some people go to have master degrees in English, in Urdu, in other subjects. So then we get education subject-wise. But till master degree, we study English as a compulsory subject. But even we feel difficult in speaking English. We have much knowledge, we have vocabulary, but we can't speak. Why? Because we have studied English throughout our school and college life. Actually, we have studies literature, not we have studied English literature, not language. In school, we don't learn English language. We study and we learn English literature. So there's difference between literature and language. What is English literature? So let's have a look. What is English literature actually? When we study English literature, we focus on analysis and theories about a large number of published works. For example, we study about novels, poems, poetries, plays, dramas, other literary work. There are plenty of good writers of English. They've written books, and we study their written work, their written books. So we study English, we read English, we learn English, we translate English, we learn spellings, we learn words meaning, we learn sentences, we learn stories, we learn how to write an application, we learn how to write an essay. We learn how to write an essay of 500 words. In a school, we learn how to write an essay of 100 words, but we don't learn how to say, how to speak 10 words. So that's the main reason that we have learned a lot of words, a lot of sentences, but we can't speak them. Literature is written work. So we get knowledge of reading and we get vocabulary, but we can't speak them. We can't utilize them. When we utilize them, we feel problems, we feel hurdles. In literature, we study about poetry or prose. So literature is a written work. And English language. So English language is a source of communication. When we talk about English literature, so there we study about written word. But when we talk about language, so language is a source, it's a mean, it's a source, it's a way, it's a method, it's a source of communication, of talking to each other. We need grammars to speak accurately, but it's not necessary actually. We need environment, how to speak English. So for that, we need grammar or we need environment to learn a language, to learn any language, not only English, to learn any language. We need vocabulary to speak more and more. So this is the difference between English language and English literature. So many of us, alhamdulillah, many of you, many of us have studied English too much. Many of us have learned plenty of words. And we have a lot of vocabulary, we have a lot of words. We know about meaning of plenty of words. We can translate plenty of sentences, lot of sentences, but we can't speak them. We can't speak those words. We can make 10 sentences on a paper. We take a paper and we can write 10 sentences on a paper about different things. We can write an essay, but we can write 10 sentences, but we can't speak 10 sentences. So the purpose of our course, of this class, of our institute is to utilize learned vocabulary and to get an environment at this time for a few minutes, to get an environment to utilize those words, those sentences, and to speak English. Then during the class, inshallah, God willing, we'll learn different things, how to speak, how to utilize vocabulary, how to increase vocabulary, how to improve our speaking power, how to improve our listening power when we watch a video. So we can't understand how it will be possible for us that we'll watch a video and we'll understand that. So we'll improve our listening power. We'll improve our listening power and pronunciation, and different things are there. And there are different elements of English language. We'll go through them as well. So, inshallah, during this class, we'll have a chance to improve our speaking power, to have good discussions, and to have a good environment of utilize our learned vocabulary. So this was a short introduction of English literature and English language and difference between literature and language. The target and aim of our this class, this course, is not literature but language, English language, to speak more and more. So then there's another thing. In English language, there is one another thing, that written language and spoken language. So when we write in literature, that's written language. When we write, we use full forms of words. For example, when we write or we want to say I am, so we write like this. But when we speak, so we don't need to say I am. This is full form. We use short forms. Written language, I am, and one is spoken language. We use am. So am is the spoken form, spoken language, and short form of I am. He is, they are, there. What is, words, etc., etc. So another thing in this slide to learn is, one is written language and one is spoken language. So our main concern and our aim and target in this course, in this class, is spoken language. Spoken language. So in written language, we use full forms of words. For example, I am. And in spoken language, we use short forms like am. Another thing, that when we write a sentence, so we say, what is your name? And answer we answer the question. We answer the question. My name is Ali. The question is like this in written language. What is your name? And answer is, my name is Ali. This is called written language. If in written language you don't use the don't write the answer like this, it will be wrong. So anyhow, in short, the methodology and the in written language is, what is your name? And my name is Ali. But in spoken language, the same thing is done like this. What's, not what is changed into what's. What's your name? My name is changed into Ali. What's your name? In spoken language, you don't need to repeat these words. My name is Ali. No, you can only say Ali. What's your name? Ali. So the listener, the person who is asking the question, you will understand that, okay, your name is Ali. Where are you going? I'm going to Islamabad. It's a written form. But in spoken language, we'll say, where are you going? Islamabad. We can also say, I'm going to Islamabad. It's not prohibited. You can say, but you don't need to say. So there are certain things. There we learn the differences between written and spoken languages with the passage of time, and we'll practice these things. So, my dear students, today it was a short class, introductory class. Now, how to speak English? So, this is the target of our course, how to speak. So, from today as well, and also from tomorrow, we'll learn and that how to speak English. Now, let's spend few minutes in introduction. Introduction. Who am I? So, each of everyone from the class, in your class, will say 5 sentences at least, or at least minimum 3 sentences. First of all, I'll request to Mr. Naimullah. He will on his mic and he will say like this: Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name's Naimullah. I'm from Islamabad, Peshawar, etc., etc. I have done masters in this and that, or a few sentences about him. So let's listen. Mr. Naimullah, please introduce yourself and speak at least 3 sentences or 5 sentences, as much you can.
Okay, sir. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name's Naimullah. I'm from Multan. My father is a successful businessman. He is a successful businessman. I did MPhil in Islamic Studies from BGU in 2022. I want to become a professor. Helping the needy people is my duty.
Good.
It's all about
Thank
me.
you.
Thank you.
Shortage of time. Please, Muhammad Omer.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Omer. I'm from district Nuttu Khas, province in Sindh. And my father is a teacher. And Alhamdulillah, I am a teacher. Thank you, sir.
Good. My father is a teacher and I am a teacher too. I'm a
Thank you,
teacher.
I am
Two.
teacher too.
टू यूज करेंगे
Yes.
ठीक है आई एम ऑल्सो टीचर
जी।
आई एम अ टीचर टू ओके जी हफीज उमर हाफिज उमर if you can't hear Imtiaz Ahmed Malik sir
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
और
My name is Imtiaz Ahmed Malik from Himyar Khan. I am also Arabic teacher in government parent secondary school in the city.
No, it isn't.
And I did the MPhil recently from KFU, Himyar Khan. Thank you.
इसको कर
माशाल्लाह जी उजैरुल्लाह सर
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir. My name is Uzairullah. I belong to Peshawar, and my father is a teacher, and I am teacher too at Kari Post. And I did my bachelor degree from Abdul Ali Khan University in geology. Now I am studying and I am doing master in English, but it's my final semester, so I think that's why I joined this course.
माशाल्लाह it's good उबैदुर रहमान सर हाफिज उमर सर इब्राहिम खान सर
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
और
My name is Hafiz Muhammad Umar. I have solved some problem. Sorry, sir. I belong to Tukwal and I am almost 15 years Imamat and Khitabat. And I have a small business and general stores.
माशाल्लाह
And I complete MA Islamic Study for Punjab University. And month almost 6 month language course for Naval University.
Good. Very good. MashaAllah. Okay, my dear students, so walaikum assalam. So today it was introductory class, and be ready for tomorrow's class, inshallah. We'll start the class at 8 p.m. and we'll share the process and the methodology of our course is sorry to say that there are a lot of students, but time is short, so that's why we can't give chance to everyone today. And with the passage of time, daily, inshallah, we'll talk to each other, inshallah. So the students who can't get chance to speak today, they'll get chance next time, inshallah. So the process of this class is that you all are included in a WhatsApp group of institutes, and after finishing the class, we share a recording of this class, today's class, daily. We'll share the recording and also the lesson of today's lesson every day. We'll share the recording as well as lesson of the class in PDF form. So keep in touch in our WhatsApp group. Fazl Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Pakistan. Fazl Qadir Khan YouTube channel of Fazl Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Gmail address and Facebook page and WhatsApp number. Fazl Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Islamabad, Pakistan. Jazakumullah khair. Subscribe our YouTube channel, and there are different courses and different lessons, and learn online as well.